This stunning 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home is a true gem, offering that perfect blend of modern luxury and classic charm. Nestled in a serene neighborhood, this completely updated house has an array of exceptional features that make it ideal. As you step inside, you will immediately appreciate the seamless blend of contemporary design and timeless elegance. This floor plan creates an inviting atmosphere with spacious living areas that flow effortlessly from one room to another. The kitchen is wonderful, featuring new appliances, sink, and updated cabinets. This home offers not one, but 2 generously sized living spaces, providing ample room for gatherings and entertainment. The 4 spacious bedrooms offer ample closet space and large windows that fill the rooms with natural light. But wait, the exterior of this property is just as impressive as the interior. Step outside and into your backyard oasis, complete with an above-ground pool. Last but not least, the fully finished basement is complete with a relaxing sauna, provides additional living space, and is ideal for a home office and, of course, entertaining guests. If you're looking for a home that truly has it all, then look no further. Call Tanya Cole to take the step towards making this beauty your new home.